Hello guys, good afternoon, welcome to my vlog. Almost 3 o'clock here. Anyway, I'm checking my email. I need to check my email. Yahoo. Anyway, today is Friday. It's weekend again. Tomorrow is I'm checking the salary offer is very small. It's like my this is my salary 10 years ago. The offer of the when I check the their salary is very small. You need a driver's license. I don't know how to drive. They need caregiver driver. I don't know how to drive. I cannot apply this one. I try also to apply in the other country. Because of my age, mostly they reject my application. There is that they accept my application, but I need to give big amount of money, and I don't trust about that because so many people got scam because of their they're applying job in other country. They are here and they pay big amount of money, and the end the application that they nothing happened. And you know that 20,000 dirham in Philippine peso is almost 400,000 dirham. I can use that to start my own business. That amount I can put up a business like agriculture business. I just try to if ever that I cannot find or my sponsor want renew my visa, if I can go home to Philippines, either I can try to find job in Manila or I can start my own business. I can start the business 10 sack of rice. Anyway, I just tried. I received something, message from WhatsApp. Din caregiver in a VIP family. It's like the family of the royal family. But I don't know if that's true because the salary is 12,000 dirham with accommodation, visa, and insurance. Ito link. Ended. Oh, bakit? Bakit may kailangan ganito? Anyway, guys. Why miss? Interest. It is latitude wrong side. Hey guys, that's all. Have a nice day and enjoy your day. Happy weekend everyone. Have a great weekend in advance. Bye.